How to fix if you can't delete apps on your iPhone. If you tap and hold on an app like ESPN and only see Remove from home screen, that means the app isn't actually being deleted. It's just hidden and still lives in your app library. To fix this, you need to head into your settings. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time, which you'll find right under Focus. Then scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure the switch at the top is turned on, then tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here you'll see an option that says Deleting Apps. If it's set to Don't Allow, that's the reason you can't delete them. Tap it and change it to Allow. If you're asked for a screen time passcode, enter it. If you've forgotten it, you can use your Apple ID to reset it. Now go back and try pressing and holding on the app again. Tap Remove App, and this time you'll see the option to Delete App. Tap Delete, and the app will be permanently removed from your iPhone.